So for all those that have trouble bashing these out, you have to use a impact socket. So I'll show you. And I bought this probably years and years ago, and it comes so handy when you have trouble or on a bolt, or you're just threading the crap out of that bolt. So let me grab a socket and I'll show you what I mean. Impact right. So the way this works is, like I said, push it in and you bang it with a hammer, and it puts the force on it that it doesn't slip, and it normally just gets everything off. I don't have the car keys. On and bang it, and it's tightening it. See, there you go. I'll show you a closer view of how it works. See that? Alright, again. There you go. Saves yourself a headache and also threading the bolts. So normally on stuff like that, the bolt's normally not meant to be removed that frequently, so learn from what I did of threading millions of bolts, hundreds, and get one of these. Rough, should cost you like, you can just buy, mine's a cheaper one, mine's just I think a Total Tools brand or something. You can use a Chinese brand or anything. It just literally, you pull it out, you use it, you put it away. That's it.